Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a beautiful artwork using the blend tool on Adobe Illustrator. So I just outlined a butterfly here, but like half of it. This is just for the body. It's not perfect, but it'll do. I'll just copy and paste this one on top here, and I'm just going to resize it like super small so that we can use the blend tool. So select both, go to Object, Blend, and Make. And then go to Object, Blend, and go to Blend Options, specify steps, and you're going to do how many that you want to add on it. And you're just going to do the same thing for the other wing. And you can again use any shapes you want. It doesn't have to be a butterfly as well. Gosh, this is so imperfect, but it's fine. Object, blend options, specify steps, 20. Oh, I forgot to make, sorry. Like that. And for the other one, I just copy and pasted that, and then you're going to select reflect. So where is it? Transform. Okay. Okay, again, it's not perfect, so like don't come after me. Oops, that's too much. Let's do blend options and do like 10, I guess, instead. Obviously, you're going to want to make it a little bit more neat than what I'm making right now. I'm just going to copy and paste that and then transform reflect for the other wing. Press OK. Whoa, sorry. And I'm going to put it like that. And that's pretty much it. You can color it to any color you want, of course. Maybe a purple one would be pretty. And yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.